Hello everyone, and welcome to Tima's tutorial. Today we will be dealing with how to divide complex numbers. Division of complex numbers. So we can divide a complex number by a real number and also by another complex number. Let's look at this. 5 minus 4i over 3. This 3 is a real number. This is not a complex number. But the numerator here is a complex number. So we can divide a complex number by a real number. So when we are given this question to solve, what do? For its solution, we say that 5 minus 4i over 3 will be equal to, we treat it as 5 over, we place this 5 on top of the denominator 3, then minus this negative, then 4i, we place this up on top of the denominator also, that's 3, which is equal to 5 over 3, that is 5 divided by 3, that will be one number, 2 over 3, minus, then 4i over 3, 4 divided by 3, that should give us one number, 1 over 3, then I. So our final answer here should be 1.2 over 3 is the same thing as 0.6666. So we can say 1.67 minus 1 divided by 3 to decimal. So 1 divided by 3 is the same thing as 0.3323. So we can call it 1.33 high. So when we are dividing a complex number by a real number, we place the first real part over 3, then minus the imaginary part here, then over 3. But the second one here, this is 7 minus 2i over 3 plus 5i, and this will be equal to. So here now we can see that we are dividing a complex number by another complex number. So this is a complex number, this is another complex number. All we do here is that we find the conjugate of 3 plus 5i, like we are doing sort. Conjugate of 3 plus 5i is 3 minus 5i. So we use that conjugate to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So that means we are having 7 minus 2i over 3 plus 5i, then multiplied by 3 minus 5i, which is the conjugate of 3 plus 5i, over 3 minus 5i. So, and this will be equal to, you can treat this as 7 minus 2i in bracket into another bracket, 3 minus 5i, close bracket, over, and we multiply this and this. So we see that it's only the signs that are different. This is positive, this is negative. So we can use difference of 2 square. Since these are the same but the signs are different, so we use difference of 2 square. That means you can have the square of 3 minus 5i, then squared. So we square 3, we also square 5i. So that means you're having, let's open the bracket on top. 7 multiplied by 3, that will give us 21. Then 7 multiplied by minus 5i, that's minus 35i. Then minus 2 multiplied by 3, that will give us minus 6i. Then minus 2i multiplied by minus 5i, that will give us plus 10i, I squared, right? Over 3 squared, 9, minus 5i squared, that will give us 25i squared. So this will be equal to 21 minus 25i minus 6i, that will give us minus 41i, then plus 10 times 10 I squared. That's I squared is the same thing as negative 1. Don't forget your I will represent I with root of negative 1. So when we have I squared, that's the same thing as root of negative 1 squared. So when this cancel this, we are going to get negative 1. So we have negative 1 over 9 minus 25 times I squared. That is still negative 1. So we can complete this here. So we have 21 now, then minus 41 I, then minus 10, plus 10 times minus 1, that's minus 10, over then 9 minus 25 times minus 1, that will give us plus 25, and this will be equal to 21 minus 10, that will give us 11 minus 41 I over 9 plus 25, I think that should be 34. So this is equal to 11 over 34, then minus 41 I over 34. So this is what our answer will be. If you leave it as fraction, 11 over 34 minus 41 I over 34. So you can take this to, you can take it to what do I call it, to decimal. So if you take this to decimal, that should give us probably maybe 0 point, around 0.3 something, or 0.3, probably 31. Then we also convert this also. So when we are dividing one complex number by another complex number like this one, the denominator, we must make it a real number. You can see that it was a complex number before, but we have to follow the right step, and we got a real number here. So we're able to divide this by this, a minus, and division of this by this. So this is how to go about a complex number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and as well subscribe. Thank you.